Hey Maria, what are you up to?
Hey Abirup, it's the time of year that I usually do a health checkup, so I'm looking up some clinics to do my checkup, but it's a bit costly though.
There is a free health checkup service at the SNU Health Service Center. You can check it out.
Oh really? Could you please tell me more about it?
Sure, you can get a free student health checkup at the SNU Student Service Center. It's located at Gonax Campus Student Center, Building 63, 3rd floor. You can get checkup tests such as body measurement, blood pressure measurement, body composition test, blood tests like anemia, regular blood, liver function, hepatitis B or C, blood sugar level, 4 kinds of cholesterols, kidney function, uric acid, urine analysis, chest x-ray, vision, oral exam, and a health survey.
That's nice. Should I just go there and do the checkup, or is there anything that I need to do first?
There are a few things you need to do before you visit the healthcare service. First, you need to make a reservation online at Health Service Center website or through SNU mobile application. And the checkup test is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. daily, so you can reserve at any time of the available time slots. If you're a language education institute student, you can get a free health checkup too, but for that, you have to make the reservation in person or offline.
Can you tell me more on how to do the online reservation?
Okay, once you log in, click on Health Checkup Appointment and then click on Make Appointment. Fill in your information and click on Make Appointment. After that, you can select the available date and time and then click on Booking. In addition to that, there is a separate paid checkup item that costs extra money, which you can choose on the web page after booking. In case you do not find it in the list, you can consult with the receptionist first. If you do not want any additional checkup, just click on No Selection. After the reservation, you have to submit an online healthcare questionnaire where you have to answer general questions about your health. If you have any question, you can call this number.
Thank you, Abirup. That's very helpful information.
You're welcome. And also don't forget to do fasting 12 hours before your tests, and you can only drink pure water. And on the checkup day, don't forget to bring your student ID card or alien registration card or passport. You must authenticate yourself. You should wear comfortable clothes and footwear as well. And because of COVID-19, don't forget to wear a mask.
Thanks, but I'm not good at Korean, so what should I do?
Oh, don't worry. The staff there, they can communicate in English well. And also there are students who are working, so you can ask them for help. But this time, I can surely go with you.
That would be perfect. Thank you so much, Abirup. If you enjoy our video, we hope that through this video you get to know how to get a free health checkup at SNU.
And if you need any further information, you can contact OIA, Office of International Affairs, or CISA, SNU International Students Association. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.